Nice and smooth. Was it supposed to do something? Hey friends, Spankie Valentine here. Welcome to my face. And before you guys start leaving hate comments, this is the before hair, okay? This is not the after. This is the final result. So we're gonna work our way to this from there. You guys are always asking me for my wash and go routine, and I gotta be honest with you. I hate wash and go routines. I hate the way my hair feels. I hate the way it looks. I hate the way it smells. I just hate all of the things associated with a wash and go. So I figured what better thing to do for a video than to torture myself on camera for you once again. I found this brush that I've never heard of in my entire life, the Denman Brush, that I figured seems to be like a thing. So I figured we would give this a try. Okay, sometimes you know you go into these tutorial videos and they're like, okay, we're gonna start off with our coconut cream and then we're gonna put in a gel and then you want some fresh essence of Atlantic Ocean sea dolphins. You don't want to hurt the dolphin, you just want to gently rub it and massage it. When the dolphin starts singing to you that it secretes this little oil, you want to just scoop up a little bit of that oil, give the dolphin a kiss, and you're gonna put that oil into your hair. You're gonna let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then you wanna get the tears from all of your ex-boyfriends, bottle up the laugh of the firstborn child, and drizzle it into your hair. Like, who has time for all of that? I didn't then, I don't now, I'm not going to tomorrow, I'm never going to have that time. So here, I got a product, and products, and products, and products, and products, and more products. And we're just gonna put these and we're gonna see what happens. Why not hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you're notified whenever I upload new videos? Because it would make me so happy. I am ready. I got my big girl tea today. Alright, so that this video is not forever long, we are going to go into voiceover mode. Alright, so this is like the real situation. I haven't washed my hair in like a week and a half. Here's how it looks right now. Yes. Alright, let's try to do something with this. First, I'm going to get it really damp. I've got a spray bottle with me. It's just going to help to do the detangling process and make maniacal faces. Yeah. This is the Shea Moisture 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Leave-In Treatment. It is kind of amusing though that it says 100% virgin coconut oil and the ingredients listed are water, glycerol stearate, glycerin, capricyl, more big words, some kind of alcohol, other big words, natural ingredient. Yes, there's coconut oil in here, but it's definitely not the first like 3 or 4 ingredients, which means it's not like the leading property in here. Alright, so I'm gonna spritz this all throughout my hair. It just gives like an extra little bit of slippage with the coconut oil ingredients. And then I'm gonna go through and finger detangle my hair first. A lot of people ask me like, how do you minimize breakage and fallout of your hair? And that's me finger detangling, which is a really long, really boring Oh, okay, let me wake up and like actually get back to it. Yes, I realized a while ago, this is actually a life sentence. I will be doing this like indefinitely for the rest of my life because this is the way my hair grows out of my head, so it's better to just kind of put yourself into a transfixed area. Now grab yourself a wide tooth comb if you want to further detangle like I'm going to do. So after I finger detangle, I go through with the wide tooth comb. Wide tooth because it's a lot more gentle on your hair. It's not going to rip it out. Now a little tactic, grip the hair. Do not pull down on the scalp. Instead, pull upwards. So there is no tension. If you hold really tight, there's no tension pulling along your scalp. It also helps to sing to the ends of your hair sometimes. Just serenade it a little bit. Give it a sonnet. It might grow for you, or you may just be delusional and it will, well, here we are. Still detangling forever later. That's okay. Perk up. I'm also going to take my Tangle Teaser and just brush that through to make sure like that coconut oil is distributed. And look, very minimal shedding and all of that after doing one side. But then you realize, oh my gosh, I've got to do the other side. Okay, focus down. We can do this. Yes, we have a positive attitude as we are going and detangling all of this hair. And now we are done. We can move on to the next step. Ugh. Okay, my hair is washed. I've got it in a bun right now just to maintain the moisture. I got my spray bottle handy because it's going to be imperative to keep my hair as wet as possible for as long as possible during this. So I tried these two products mixed with what I usually use. These are by Shea Moisture. I think most of my products here are Shea Moisture. This video is not sponsored at all, but Shea Moisture, you could call me, okay? Because you're welcome. This is the Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine shampoo and conditioner. To kind of cut it, I mixed it with my tried and true, don't hate me, don't come for me with the sulfate comments. But I literally grew my hair long using nothing but Redken and then switching to Herbal Essence drugstore situation. Okay, so we're going to unravel the wet hair after the shower, and I'm going to start sectioning it off. So first I sectioned my hair in half. We're gonna go through and comb it again because, you know, your hair probably tangled up in the shower as per usual. Welcome to being a curly. And now I'm going to use this Coconut Curl Souffle by Mark Anthony. I haven't used this before. So we're going to find out what happens. I'm just going to comb this all the way through, root to the tip of the hair. Then I'm going to brush that through, make sure it's evenly distributed, or you could use your comb again. And then I'm going to go with this Curl and Style Milk by Shea Moisture and apply that. It is very milky, feels like a body lotion almost, like really slick and smooth, not nearly as like heavy feeling or sticky as that first product. Make sure to get this evenly distributed again. All the wash and goes that I watched had like a whole bunch of products in it. Two, I'm gonna do two, people, okay? Efforts are being made right now. 2 products, and I'm going to do it in the front section and the back section. All right, now the moment of truth, the Denman Brush. I have never used this before, so I got the 9-row one. There's no little balls on the tips of these things. Oh my gosh, I remember when I was a kid and some straight hair girl was like, oh my gosh, Spankie, let me brush your hair, and she pulled out one of those plastic brushes with the little balls on the end, and then like proceeded to rip out all of my hair, and I was like, are you kidding me? You do not come near a curly with those little plastic balls of doom. Some people talked about using this as a detangler. What I definitely noticed and learned is if you are going to use this as a detangler, which I don't know that I recommend doing that, you want to hold the brush upward like this. So if I were to detangle, see it slides through like that, but if you're trying to detangle it sideways like this, I think it makes it something about a lot more teeth that it has to pass through and your hair can get stuck on it. Okay, I'm gonna give this brush a try. Please, dear God, let this work. Nice and smooth. Oh, I wanna hold my hair. Can I hold my hair? Was it supposed to do something? Was it supposed to do something different? Okay, I see some curls happening, so we had to encourage it along a little bit. It looks like my several layers of thinner curls are clumping together. Y'all can see why I don't really like doing wash and go routines. This takes so much longer. I can't imagine doing this at the beginning of my day and then wanting to do anything else. I'm a wash and go to bed. That's what I'm gonna watch. Okay, so I am now brushing this straight through the hair all the way, and I figured out if I take like my microfiber towel, or you could use a t-shirt, you're just gonna kind of gather up the hair and formulate the curls and scrunch it up into your scalp very delicately, and then I kind of squeeze it once I get up there and get the excess like product and water out, and then you release it down, and that helps the curl pattern start to form. Yay! Well, this definitely took a turn for the better. It's definitely getting closer to my natural texture than when I do my usual braids, which is nice. I hope this dries well. Again, my hair is so long that it weighs down anyway, so I'm not gonna have like the big, massive, super curly volume that some girls do. I'm going to let this air dry. I officially have an hour and 40 minutes until I have to be somewhere. The reason why I'm not using a blow dryer or a diffuser on it is because I really don't like the way my hair comes out when it's blow dried or diffused. All right, guys, are you ready for the final result? Here is the back of my head for, you know, know, obviously. Oh, don't look at my oh my gosh, are the bucks upside down? Don't look at my winter pants, okay? It's cold in this bitch, alright? Here is the length and the ends. Bah! Here we go. Here are the results. I would say my hair is probably like 90% dry right now. Everybody say hello to cameraman.
Hi, everybody.
Where have you been, cameraman?
North.
What? Cameraman, give me that close-up. Give me that nice, tight hair shot so they can see you're not doing anything. Give it a lean and a tilt. A lean and a tilt. That's showing the floor. That's showing the... Okay, there we go. Now, I do actually really like, this is kind of reminiscent of my childhood. Do you guys see these like micro curls in the front? But it's not bad. Let's check the down here. Cameraman, tell me it's pretty.
It's very pretty.
It's not focusing. This is probably the best wash and go that I have ever done, meaning I like these results way better than any of the other ones that I've ever tried. Is it because of this brush? I don't necessarily think so. Helped a lot, but I'm very curious to see if I could get similar results with my Tangle teaser. I don't know, what do you guys think? I don't really spend time styling my hair, but I think if I got like that to stay and maybe, I don't know, did something with this baby hair situation, that could be cute. These are kind of the underside of the curls and it's a little less puffy, a little less frizzy. Anyways, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think of this wash and go routine, and if you want to see more hair tutorials, let me know what you want me to experiment with next. Leave me a comment with all of your video requests, and in a couple of seconds right here, I'm gonna pop up a couple of new videos for you to click or tap on, and I will see you in one of those. It's a new year, new you, let's do this shit. Smooches. Bye.